1 million packages, 24 hours, 0 human hands touching most of them. Welcome to the future that's already here. What you're about to see inside Amazon's most advanced AI warehouse will completely change how you think about online shopping forever. Right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of robots are moving at speeds humans can't match, making decisions in milliseconds and revolutionizing an entire industry. But here's the question nobody's asking. How does it actually work? I'm taking you on an exclusive journey inside one of the most technologically advanced buildings on Earth. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how artificial intelligence, robotics, and human innovation came together to create something that seemed impossible just 10 years ago. So buckle up, because this is going to be mind-blowing. In the next 15 minutes, you'll discover how Amazon processes over 1 million packages every single day using AI-powered robots, how these machines communicate with each other, and why this technology is about to change every industry on the planet. Trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. Imagine a facility so massive it could fit 28 football fields inside. Now imagine that facility operating with precision, so exact that it can locate one specific item among millions in under 60 seconds. That's not science fiction. That's Amazon's fulfillment center, and it's operating right now. As we approach the warehouse, the first thing you notice is the sheer size. This building consumes more computing power in 1 hour than a small city uses in a week. But the real magic isn't in the size. It's in what's happening inside those walls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Step inside, and your expectations shatter immediately. This isn't a warehouse. It's a perfectly choreographed dance of technology where thousands of robots move in harmony, creating a symphony of efficiency that seems almost alive. The air hums with electric precision. Here's what most people don't understand. This facility isn't just automated, it's intelligent. Every robot, every conveyor belt, every scanning system is connected to a central AI brain that makes over 5 million decisions per hour. And it's learning, getting smarter, getting faster, every single day. Meet the workforce. Over 45,000 robots working alongside 15,000 human employees. But these aren't just machines following simple commands. These are AI-powered units capable of adapting, problem-solving, and coordinating with each other in ways that would make even the most organized human team look chaotic. The journey begins when a package arrives at the loading dock. Within 3 seconds, it's scanned, weighed, measured, and assigned a unique digital identity. This isn't just a box anymore. It's a data point in a massive network, tracked by artificial intelligence from this moment until it reaches your doorstep. Advanced computer vision systems photograph each package from 16 different angles simultaneously. The AI analyzes the shape, size, weight distribution, and even predicts the contents based on patterns from millions of previous deliveries. This happens in less time than it takes you to blink. Now watch this. The package moves onto a conveyor system controlled by algorithms that calculate the most efficient path through the facility. There are over 20 miles of conveyor belts in this building, and the AI manages every inch, ensuring no traffic jams, no collisions, and no delays. Enter the stars of the show, Amazon's drive robots. These orange machines might look simple, but each one carries sophisticated sensors, processors, and navigation systems. They can lift up to 750 pounds, navigate through tight spaces, and communicate with hundreds of other robots simultaneously. Here's where it gets incredible. These robots don't follow preset tracks. They use a combination of QR codes on the floor, internal mapping systems, and real-time communication with the central AI to navigate. They're constantly updating their routes based on changing conditions, avoiding obstacles, and optimizing for speed. Think of it as a hive mind. Every robot knows where every other robot is. They negotiate right away, plan routes around each other, and even predict future congestion before it happens. This coordination happens wirelessly, thousands of times per second, creating a flow that seems almost supernatural. The robots don't carry individual packages. They carry entire storage pods, each containing hundreds of items. When an order comes in, the AI calculates which pod contains the needed item, dispatches the nearest available robot, and brings an entire pod to a human worker for picking. Genius simplicity. Traditional warehouses organize items by category: Amazon's AI does something revolutionary. It stores items based on probability algorithms. Frequently ordered items are positioned for quick access, while slower-moving products are strategically placed to optimize overall efficiency. The system reorganizes itself constantly, learning from every single order. At the picking station, human workers and AI collaborate in perfect harmony. The system tells the worker exactly which item to pick from the pod, highlights it with laser pointers, and confirms the selection using computer vision. It's a partnership where human dexterity meets artificial intelligence. Multiple cameras track the worker's hands, using advanced computer vision to ensure accuracy. The AI can detect that the wrong item is picked before the worker even realizes a mistake. Error rate? Less than 1 in 10,000. That's better than any purely human or purely robotic system could achieve alone. After picking, packages move to the packing area where another AI system makes a crucial decision in milliseconds. What's the smallest box that will safely fit these items? This optimization saves millions of dollars in shipping costs and reduces environmental waste significantly. Watch as the carton-wrap machine measures items, creates a custom-sized box in real time, and seals it perfectly in under 7 seconds. This machine can produce over 700 boxes per hour, each one optimized for its specific contents. No wasted space, no excess materials, pure efficiency. As the box exits the machine, high-speed printers generate shipping labels with microscopic precision. Every label contains a unique barcode that connects to a tracking system so sophisticated it can tell you not just where your package is, but predict when it will arrive down to a 30-minute window. Here's something amazing. AI-powered cameras inspect every package, checking seal quality, label placement, and even detecting microscopic damage. The system processes visual information faster than human eyes can focus, catching defects that would be invisible to traditional quality control. Every package crosses precision scales that measure weight down to the gram. The AI compares this against expected weight, based on the items inside. Any discrepancy triggers an immediate alert. This catches picking errors, missing items, and even potential security issues before the package leaves the building. Now comes the most visually stunning part. The sorting system. Imagine a massive matrix where packages slide, tilt, and divert across hundreds of different chutes, each leading to a specific delivery route. The AI coordinates this chaos into perfect order, sorting thousands of packages per hour. Behind the scenes, algorithms are constantly calculating optimal delivery routes, considering traffic patterns, weather conditions, delivery time windows, and even the physical weight distribution in delivery trucks. This happens automatically for every single package, creating routes that would take human planners weeks to figure out. Let's talk about the brain controlling all of this. In a climate-controlled server room, thousands of processors work in unison, running machine learning algorithms that process more data every minute than most people see in a lifetime. This AI learns from every package, every decision, every outcome. The system doesn't just follow rules, it creates them. By analyzing patterns from billions of packages, the AI discovers optimization strategies that human engineers never imagined. It's teaching itself to be better, finding efficiencies in places we didn't even know to look. Here's something that sounds like magic. The AI can predict what you're going to order before you order it. By analyzing purchasing patterns, seasonal trends, and even local events, it prepositions inventory closer to where it's likely to be needed. That's why your package arrives so fast. Throughout this facility, over 100,000 sensors constantly monitor everything: temperature, humidity, air quality, equipment performance, even the subtle vibrations that might indicate a machine needs maintenance before it breaks down. Nothing escapes the AI's attention. Traditional factories fix things when they break. This facility predicts failures before they happen. Machine learning algorithms analyze sensor data to detect patterns that precede equipment failure, scheduling maintenance during off-peak hours. Downtime has been reduced by 78% using this approach. Even energy consumption is AI-controlled. The system monitors electricity prices in real time, shifting energy-intensive operations to cheaper time periods when possible. It manages lighting, heating, cooling, and equipment power draw with precision that cuts energy costs by millions annually, while reducing environmental impact. Safety is paramount. Thousands of safety sensors create invisible barriers around robots and machinery. If a human enters a restricted zone, robots automatically slow down or stop. The AI constantly monitors for potential hazards, making the facility safer than traditional warehouses despite the complexity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about the workers? Here's the truth that might surprise you. Since introducing advanced robotics, Amazon has actually hired more human employees, not fewer, but their roles have evolved dramatically. Humans aren't competing with robots. They're collaborating. Workers have moved from repetitive physical tasks to skilled positions, robot maintenance, system monitoring, quality assurance, and process optimization. These are better-paying jobs that require more expertise and offer more career growth. Amazon invests heavily in worker training, offering programs in robotics maintenance, data analysis, and AI system management. Former warehouse workers are becoming robotics technicians, earning significantly more while developing cutting-edge technical skills. This is upskilling on a massive scale. Watch how humans and robots work together. Robots handle the heavy lifting, repetitive movements, and long-distance transportation. Humans provide decision-making, problem-solving, and the dexterity for complex tasks. Each does what they do best, creating productivity that neither could achieve alone. The numbers are staggering. This facility processes 5 times more packages per square foot than traditional warehouses. Order accuracy has improved to 99.9%. Delivery times have been cut in half, and workplace injuries have decreased by 60% thanks to robots handling dangerous tasks. There's an environmental story here, too. Optimized packaging reduces cardboard waste by millions of tons annually. Efficient routing cuts fuel consumption. Smart energy management lowers carbon emissions. The AI is making logistics greener while making it faster and cheaper. This technology isn't staying in warehouses. Amazon is already testing autonomous delivery drones, sidewalk robots, and AI systems that will revolutionize last-mile delivery. What you're seeing here is just the beginning of a transformation that will touch every aspect of retail and logistics. Other industries are watching closely. Hospitals are adapting this technology for medicine delivery. Manufacturers are implementing similar systems for production lines. Airports are testing it for baggage handling. The innovations developed here will ripple across the entire economy. In development right now, robots with advanced manipulation capabilities that can handle fragile items, AI that can predict and prevent supply chain disruptions weeks in advance, and systems that will make today's advanced technology look primitive. The evolution is accelerating. Consider the global impact. Faster, cheaper, more reliable logistics means small businesses can compete with large corporations. Rural areas get access to products previously unavailable. Developing nations can leapfrog traditional infrastructure. This technology is democratizing access to goods worldwide. But technology is only part of the story. Behind every algorithm is a programmer. Behind every robot is a maintenance team. Behind every innovation is a human mind asking, what if? This facility represents human ingenuity enhanced by artificial intelligence, not replaced by it. As we embrace this future, important questions arise. How do we ensure workers benefit from automation? How do we manage the environmental impact of increased consumption? How do we make these systems fair and accessible? These conversations are happening now, shaping the technology's evolution. 5 years from now, this facility will look outdated. 10 years from now, we'll marvel at how primitive it was. But right now, today, this represents the cutting edge of human achievement. The moment when artificial intelligence, robotics, and human creativity merge to create something extraordinary. Think about this. When you click Buy Now on your phone, you're triggering a chain reaction involving artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning, and thousands of human workers, all coordinating perfectly to bring that item to your door. That's not just technology. That's modern magic. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build together, human and machine, combining our creativity with artificial intelligence, our ingenuity with automation, our vision with technology. And if what you've seen today is any indication, that future is going to be absolutely incredible. If this glimpse into the future fascinated you, imagine what we'll explore next. Hit that subscribe button because we're taking you inside more cutting-edge facilities where tomorrow is being built today. And drop a comment telling me, what industry do you think will be transformed by AI next? I read every single one. Remember, every revolution starts with a single innovation. Every impossible dream becomes tomorrow's reality. And somewhere right now, in facilities like this around the world, the future you'll live in 10 years from now is being assembled, one package, one robot, one brilliant idea at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.